today's video we are doing like some co-vibe automation. So we are just creating like a workflow together, and this is like a real case. Like here at Needle we have the scenario that when you stay until 19 in the office, we are ordering together from Uber Eats. I'm normally asking people like, hey, are you staying together today until 19? Because I do need to make the call for ordering the food at around 18 because the delivery takes around 1 hour. And I realized I do this every day, so why not automating this? So we don't have any workflow yet in place for this, and I'm just creating this workflow now so that I'm not having to do this anymore in the future. So we are just having a workflow which every day just asks at 17 into our Needle general channel, specific channel we will figure out along this like build together with me, and then we are going to ask that question. So let's give this workflow a name, I would say. And we are starting here with like just a manual trigger node, but we can remove that. And now I just want to use Needle here only the vibe automation part. So I only want to code here and want to create an automation by just chatting with the Needle agent. So I've created here a prompt, create me a workflow that runs every day at 17 Europe Berlin time zone, browse and scrape the following page and food options that are relevant for us. I need to put a link there, I don't know yet the link, and send messages to a general channel, and questions include food recommendations for previous AI agent node. And here, are you staying until 19? Dinner or Needle? Please vote with like thumbs up, like a positive check mark if you do so. And we can also do some recommendations. So let's take this prompt and put this over here and ask Needle agent to create this workflow for us. Let's see what it does. So as you see, the new agent has created a workflow for us here. Your workflow is ready. It runs every day at 17 Berlin time zone, browses and scrapes a food page, 3 dinner recommendations, sends a message to general channel. So let's say we want to keep all of this. So Needle agent has created kind of the workflow else. We can close now the agent here and just look what the agent has done by checking our individual nodes. This looks great every day at 17 as I wanted. Browse the page. So we are using a browse web page. And now we want to like browse some food recommendations from Uber Eats. And for that I have taken here like a link. So if we open this one, it's showing some recommendations here from Uber Eats that are here. So we want to scrape that data and see if there are like some good options and feed these options to our agent. So let's take the link and we can say here browse this web page to our browse web node. So it will take care of the prompt and use the right URL to scrape that data. We pass this over to this and we say use 3 options and do not include Domino's or pizza or burgers. We try to eat a healthy dinner, and maybe we use here the 4:1 model. I think I might change this. And finally, we want to send a message to our Slack channel. Now we have created our workflow and we want to run our workflow. So as you see, it is actually correct. It's running every day at 17. So we are giving back now the time step. 17 today, it should run. Now we are running this in the test mode. So I just ran the workflow like locally. Scrape the data here from Uber Eats. And we say we give back some data. And then we are passing this to our agent node. And finally, we use the Slack send message node to send a message into our general channel with a prompt here. So we didn't need to define anything. We just needed to prompt our nodes and our workflow. And we see here in the general channel that are you staying until 19? Then there's our Needle. And here it makes some recommendations: sushi, Vietnamese food, and Indian food. And if you have any specific wishes, also can reply. Now I can say, for example, yes, I stayed today until 19 inside the office, so I'm in for dinner. And I don't have to ever ask this again. And to make this now live every day, I quickly just hit here on publish. And now this is going to run every day at 5 p.m. Berlin time zone. As you see, super easy. A task that I normally spend like a bit of time on and actually have a bit of brain capacity for, because I have to think about this and have to do this. I'm just automating it. And you see, it was super easy to automate this. I'm also going to make this a template so you can just use it yourself and set this up if you have some similar company policy in your place. And if not, chat with the Needle AI agent and try to create workflows just by chatting. And curious to see what you are building with Needle. And yeah, see you around, have a good day, and keep automating. Never not automate. Ciao here from Jan from Needle.